In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone on ClickUp. If you're building a team or collaborating with a contractor, getting them into your ClickUp workspace quickly and securely is essential. I'll walk you through the exact path inside the app and share a few tips so you avoid the usual snags. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're in the correct workspace. You can confirm this by checking the workspace name in the corner of the interface. If you manage more than one, switch to the one where you want this person to join. Also, ensure you're signed in with an account that has permission to invite people, typically an owner or admin role. If you don't have the right permissions, you might not see the options we're about to use. Next, head into Settings. In most layouts, you'll find a gear icon on the sidebar or in the lower left area of the screen. Click that to open your workspace settings. Interfaces evolve, so if your layout looks a little different, look for wording like Workspace Settings or Admin Settings. It's the same destination, just a slightly different label depending on your version. Inside Settings, open the People section. This is sometimes labeled People, Team, or Users, and it's where you manage everyone who has access to your workspace. Once you're there, you'll see existing members, guests, and any pending invitations. This page also helps you keep track of available seats on your plan, which is important if you're on a paid tier with limited member slots. From the People section, click Invite People. This opens the invitation flow. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the invite. You'll typically be asked who you're inviting and what level of access they should have. If you're unsure which role to choose, a simple guideline is members usually need full collaboration features, while guests are best for limited, task-specific access. Be mindful of seat usage and any plan limits when selecting roles. If you don't immediately see the invite button, scroll to the top right of the page or temporarily widen your window. It's commonly placed there. After sending the invite, watch for a pending status next to their name. They'll need to accept via email, so let them know to check their inbox and spam folder just in case. If they report not receiving it, you can resend the invitation from the same People page. That's it. Open ClickUp, go to Settings, open People, and click Invite People. With those steps, you'll have your teammate on board and ready to collaborate in no time.